Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Rachel, your coach with New Leaf Wellness and Nutrition, and I'm excited to share with you an opportunity that I have for you this Thursday, the 27th of October. I'll be hosting a virtual workshop called Altars Anywhere. So, we're going to talk about creating sacred spaces. And I'm super excited to do this because, of course, as you know, I really believe in those three pillars of health: mind, body, and spirit. And having the support of our faith, whatever that faith is really important. It is crucial as a foundation for our health journey. We talk about this all the time. The workshop is going to be just an hour, and it's just chock full of ideas for you to create sacred spaces, not just within your home, which I think is really important, but also outside, out in the natural world. We're going to talk about how to create sacred spaces that are permanent sacred spaces, temporary ones, but some spaces where you can have that altar feel, that place where you come into presence feel out in the natural world, which for a lot of us is so deeply meaningful, and a place where we do truly connect with the divine. And also, the third thing we're going to talk about is how to consider yourself a sacred space, an altar space. Just a quick note for anyone who's wondering, what really is an altar? Really? I mean, we think of it as, and its definition is just, like a flat table kind of thing that sits in a church or a space that we use to hold objects of meaning and significance for worship, for connection. These are the places where we hold sacred ceremony, like, marriage happens in front of an altar at a church or whatever. So, really, it's just a space that holds what we hold sacred in order to help us make that connection. So, we're going to talk about spaces in your home, spaces outside, and spaces within yourself, if you will. It's going to be great. I'm super excited to host this for you. So I will put a link for the sign up in the description. And like I said, it is this Thursday, the 27th of October. And if you cannot make it live, it'll be 10 o'clock Mountain Time. If you can't make it live, don't worry about that. Sign on up and I will send you the replay and you can watch it whenever you like. And of course, if you can't make the live event, we'll be doing some Q&A. If you have any questions and you'd like to have them answered during the workshop, send them to me and I will do my best to answer them as part of our Q&A during the actual live portion of the workshop. So that's what's coming up. I am so excited for it. I love hosting these spaces and I think you're going to get a lot out of it. So sign on up and until we meet again, subscribe to the channel if you want to know when new videos come out, and come and find me on social media. I'm at New Leaf Wellness and Nutrition, pretty much anywhere you want to find me. And I'd love to connect with you and chat. And I'd love to see you on Thursday or in the replay for Altars Anywhere.